Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be looking at the composite mode, which is at the top of the inspector, and generally talking about transparency. So what this does is, it takes one image and it blends it with another image on a lower track. Okay, so let's jump to Davinci Resolve.
Okay, right, so first I want to take my main clip down here, which is actually the intro that I just shot. There we go. There's me sitting chilling on my chair. Right, so basically the composite mode is up here at the top of the inspector, as I said. Now I want to bring another clip down, so here we go, this one shall do. So this is me being a cactus. Long story, yeah. I won't get into it. Unless you're Aberdonian, you wouldn't really get it. Okay, so composite mode here. So normal, literally nothing happens. It's just B-roll over the top of your main clip here, right? Yeah. So what you want to do is you want to go to here. Now, if you go to add, for example, it removes the blacks. So once you've removed the blacks, you can see it's overlaid on top. It's blended onto the lower clip, but without black. So for example, I wanted to make Santa Claus fly over the rooftops in Union Street, so I got a video clip of Santa with just a plain black background, and then I used this mode to have Santa fly over Union Street so I could show my nephews Santa fly across Aberdeen, which I thought was a pretty cool idea. And yeah, so basically all this is different blend modes. Color burn, color dodge, darken, dark color.
One eternity later.
You get the drift, you know, overlay. Yeah, so it just blends them in different ways. Some will remove the blacks, some will remove the whites, and so on. So what would something like this be good for? I mean, a music video in the 90s, perhaps? That would work. So what I could also do this interest thing is, I could go to my toolbox, and then I could go to generators. I could then go to solid color, drag this in. Okay, you have to give them some kind of hue. So I'm just going to go for cerulean. Now, if I run through the composite mode again, I can get some interesting effects. Oh, look at that. Very cool. Hard light. Pretty cool. So yeah, we can do some interesting things here. We'll add little pops of color into your video, so that's quite cool. If I want to, I can use the opacity here and bring it down a bit as well and blend it more with the original footage, so it's not quite as heavy. There we go, I'm a little green man. So I can give it a kind of a vintage look with this little one matte layer, which is quite cool. Or if I wanted, I could just take some text down and drop this here, and then as you can see, it appears as B-roll. The background's black, so if I go to add, there we go, the black is gone. It sounds a cool way of adding text as well. Yeah, word of the day. Word of the day is potato. Potato. Right, so that's pretty cool. Or you can try different ones, color burn. Hey, there we go. Another text that's see-through. Darken. Dark color. Exclusion. That's pretty funky. It's time to get funky. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. Some pretty cool things here. Soft light. Pretty cool now. That looks pretty sweet, that text with the little see-through writing now. That's awesome. If you've got something with a green background, you're probably going to want to chroma key later down in this wee section here. I'll show you that later. That's a bit more advanced. So yeah, you could do things like download a video clip of an explosion with a black background, and then pop it on your timeline, change it from normal to add, and then that'll take away the black background, and then you just have an explosion appear wherever you want, and then you can move your explosion by going over here and then go and say transform, and then just changing the size of it by dragging the corner and say popping it an explosion. Let's pretend this is an explosion, and then popping your explosion over there. Or if you want another little video to play on top of your video, so say you're reviewing something, you're talking about a video, you could have the video pop up here, and then all you need to do is mute the volume down here, and then here you are talking with a video playing here as well. Okay. Hey, that's pretty cool. So that's handy. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So what I do is get cracking with it, drag your clips onto the timeline, add them in here. Remember, add to remove a black background. If it's a white background, play around with other ones, see which ones work best for you. Here to change the opacity. That's pretty much it. It's a sweet little feature that's easy to get the hang of.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you found that useful, feel free to subscribe for more weekly content on video or photo editing. Catch you there. Today we're going to be looking at the balls. Today we're going to be talking bollocks. Hey guys, welcome back to balls. Thanks for balls. Coffee. Slurp.